This is a dairy farm. The cows are ready. I was told each of the cows weigh 800 to 700 kilogram. 800 to 700 kilogram. And every day they get up to 15 to 20 liters of milk from each cow. And they milk 100 cows every day. 100 cows every day. So each of the cows weigh 700 kilograms, and each of the cows produce 15 to 20 liters of milk every day. So 20 times 100 liters a day. Oh, did I say 20 times 100 liters? 20 liters per cow. And then 100 cows are milked every day. Please do the calculation. 20 liters per cow times 100 cows. This is a dairy farm, and each of the cows weigh 700 to 800 kilograms, and each cow produces 15 to 20 liters a day. This is the process. The first one, it's already 9 liters. Yes. 9 liters, and still going to 15 to 20 liters. So this is the milk tank.
Milk tank, well, milking is same temperature with body.
Okay.
Same as
okay.
30.
So this tank, how many liters?
6,000.
6,000 liters.
Yes.
So do you mean from the cows you get up to 6,000 liters per day?
No.
No.
3,000
liters per day.
3,000 liters.
3,000 liters per day. Wow, this is big. This is the storage.
We buy milk.
Okay.
In bottle.
Okay, this is how you bottle. Okay, this is like how many liters?
3 liters.
3 liters. Oh, this is the sizes. 3 liters, and this is 5 liters. But some people buy from this drum.
Yes.
Like how many liters is this?
15.
15 liters. Ombesh?
50.
Oh,
Sorry.
beige.
Elli.
50 liters.
Yes.
50 liters. This is government electricity or generator?
Government electricity.
Government electricity. Electricity is key factor in any industry. So, but you have a backup generator in case of emergency.
Our generator is there.
Oh, you have a big generator. When electricity go off, kickstart.
Yes.
When the electricity cut off in case of any emergency, the generator automatically kickstarts.
It works for cold. Get cold.
The milk. This preserves the milk to be in a very good temperature.
Yes.
Okay.
4 centigrade.
Oh, 4 degrees
Yes.
centimeter? Centigrade.
Centigrade.
Oh, 4 degrees centigrade. Wow. That's the tank. So this company has been in existence for 8 years.
8 years.
What is the years of the cow? Each cow? How long?
No, 100 cow. I started 100 cow.
You started the farm with 100 cows.
Yes, and continue 100 cows.
100 cows?
Yes.
None of the cow died. All the cows are healthy and alive.
Yes, of course.
Wow.
No, some cows
Sick?
good. New cows.
New cow comes. But
Also
total?
my cows.
Okay.
ultra others.
Okay, I understand.
Aynı cigarette.
From what the owner of the cow said, I mean the owner of the farm, he said he's been running this farm for 7 years. He's been running the farm, the dairy farm for 7 years, and he has total of 100 cows. 100 cows. This is a big dairy farm, and they get up to 3,000 liters of milk per day from 100 cows. Each cow produces 15 to 20 liters.